Hello, and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write an O-1 visa invitation letter. This letter is a formal document issued by a U.S.-based employer or agent inviting a foreign national with extraordinary ability in their field, such as the arts, sciences, education, business, or athletics, to enter the United States under the O-1 visa category. At the top of your letter, you should include your official letterhead with your name or company name, street address, city, state, zip code, email, and phone number. Below that, add the current date. Address the letter to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, followed by their department address. Then include a clear subject line stating the purpose of the letter, such as O-1 visa support letter for beneficiary's full name, and begin the letter with a formal greeting like, "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "I am writing to formally invite beneficiary's full name and exceptionally talented profession, for example, visual effects artist, musician, scientist, to the United States to collaborate with us on project name, purpose, or work description. Based on their internationally recognized achievements, awards, and contributions to the field industry, we believe they meet the criteria for the O-1 visa for individuals with extraordinary ability. Our organization name, has arranged for beneficiary's name to participate in specific events, projects, or ongoing work from start date to end date. We are confident that their involvement will significantly enrich our work and contribute to further innovation in the field. We will provide full support during their stay, including compensation and logistical assistance, as outlined in our agreement. Sincerely, signature, printed name, title, position company, organization name." Here's our sample O-1 visa invitation letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the beneficiary's extraordinary abilities, the nature of the work they'll be doing in the U.S., and the terms of their engagement. The letter highlights important details like the duration of the project, your role as the petitioner or employer, and how the beneficiary's skills align with the O-1 visa requirements. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting formal letters.